top 5 stock that you can invest in the whole world, the whole global, wherever you are, anywhere you can invest in this 2025. Again, bull run is coming again. You know how the stock will skyrocket. You understand me? So I want to tell you top 5 stock that you can invest in 2025, and 5 years later, I promise you, come this my channel and come and thank me, and I promise 100%. So hi, my name is King Crypto. I like to drop all this mining thing, all this investment, all this forex, all this crypto stock mining. You understand me? All these things. So if you like my video, you are interested, you love me, you like my video, how I'm doing it, you can just subscribe to that my channel. Okay, make my channel to grow. Okay, and like YouTube will share it to another views. Okay, another people. Okay, so top 1 stock that you can invest in 2020. Okay, sorry, I have a secret to tell you before you invest in any stock that I want to mention in this video, because some people now, this stock that I want to tell you, I want to mention in this video, is a future stock. It's not a today stock that you buy today, tomorrow you will sell it. It's not so. This stock is for future, and I promise you, if you buy it and you leave it for years, you come back and thank me. Yes, I promise that 5 years later or 3 years later, you come and thank me. So I did not say you buy that stock when the stock, like example, you buy the stock 15 naira, when the stock rise up, like you buy the stock $2, when the stock rise up to $4, you sell it, or the stock rise to $3, you sell it. That is not a profit. It cannot change your life. I'm telling you, the stock that you invest and leave it and you change your life that 5 years later. Okay, I believe on it. Okay, I don't tell you that invest this stock, when the stock reach $3, $4, take your profits and invest again. No, you understand me? So invest. So anytime that you see you invest this stock and you see that the stock, let me tell you one of my story. I invest one crypto. It's not a stock, but it's a crypto app, a coin. So I invest into that coin $100, and that coin low, like I lose up to $80 into that $100. If it's another person who tell me that King Crypto have already tell me, King Crypto tell me this best coin, and I believe on it and see what King Crypto is doing, you know, God forbid, this guy is liar. It's not a liar. I'm not a liar. Okay, I'm not a liar. Just patient. But if another person is fearing that this coin is, I'm losing 80%, I will not allow them to chop this my 20%. So let me take it off and go use it to flex, or use it to do what I want to use it to do. I will not put it again where you will lose. So me, when I see that I'm losing $80, I just smile. I say, no problem. I know that the thing is going to go up, but I will not sell it. It's not my concern. I just close my eye and leave the coin there. It did not concern me, because it's not. I did not buy it for a month to sell it. I did not buy it when I get profit to sell it. I leave it for a year, so it does not concern me. Okay, I just leave it there. So when I leave it there, I think 2 months later, when I come back there, I am in profit with $30. You understand me? I recover my money, and I'm in profit again with $30. Can you imagine? It's another person now with I'm losing. I will take off that 20% that I have and that I'm seeing. Or am I losing $80? But, and if you believe on me and you say that is what King Crypto said is going to skyrocket. It's going to skyrocket. Let me leave it there. You understand me? So that is the secret that I want to tell you. Don't be shaken that when you are losing it $2 or $3, you'll be shaking, your body will be shaking that I'm losing money. Don't shake, okay? Don't shake. Just believe on the app, and I promise you, that's why I told you that invest it for years. Okay? Don't put down your money and you will hope that next month I will come out the money. No. Know that you have a money beside that you are not using it, so you can use it to invest there. You understand? You can use it to invest there. No, don't say that this is my last money, I use it to invest. When you use it to invest, and anytime that emergency come, anytime and you want to use the money, you can go and check the stock, and you are seeing the stock, you are losing a $3, $4, you say, oh my god, let me just take a job, and you just sell it. You are not in profit again, and you cannot make money in stock like that if you are doing like that. Okay, stock needs a patience. You have to patient. You understand me? You have to patient. You have to take a years. You understand? You have to take a years before you make that money that you are expecting. Stock is not rushing. Okay, and anytime that you work, you see a small change, you invest into it again. Anytime you see, you can start with $10. You understand me? You can start with $10, but anytime that you have money, you use another $10, invest. Anytime that you work, you see money, another money up, you invest again. You understand me? You invest before you know. If this five stock that I want to invest, I want to mention in this video, if you like one, just one you like, you can invest into that one. I did not tell you to invest all the 5. If you have the power to invest all the 5, no problem, you can invest all the 5. But if you have power to invest down just one, no problem. Okay, so that is the secret I want to tell you. Okay, so don't be feared, don't afraid. Okay, don't afraid. Okay, so number 1 is a Google stock. If you go and search for it, and people will tell me that I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. People will tell me that, so which apps that I'm going to use to invest my stock there, or am I going to go to the company to collect the shares for a stock, or am I just sitting in a room, just sitting in a house or in a home and just investing? Yes, you can stay in a home and just investing, but I will make sure the app that you can invest. If you are in Nigeria, I will make sure the app that you can invest with a naira, or you can swap it to $1 to invest with $1 if you want to. Maybe you are thinking dollar will value before 2 years later, dollar will be rising again. You can swap it to naira to dollar and invest it there the dollar. Okay, but everything the app will do it for you. If it's with if you want to invest it with $1, you will swap it to dollar. If you want to invest it to naira, with the naira. If you want to swap it to with $1, your choice. Okay, so if you are in outside country and which app are you going to invest in outside country with $1? No problem, I will make sure the app at end of the video. Okay, just stick with me and just watch and listen carefully. Okay, so number 1 is a Google stock. Okay, go and invest in Google stock. Number 1. Number 2 is a Tesla stock. Number 3, Facebook stock. Number 4, Netflix. Number 5, Microsoft. You understand me? These 5 stock that I made sure, I promise you, if you invest your money into it and 5 years later you come back and open your portfolio, just invest and close your eye, leave it there. 5 years later, just come and check it, and you will thank me later. You will come to my channel. If everybody alive, God will leave us alive. Everybody will alive in the name of God. You understand me? So if you come back, you come and thank me. This is my channel. Yes, you come and thank me. This is my channel. Yeah. So this is the stock that I'm talking about, that you can invest your money and leave it for a future. Okay, don't rush and sell it. Okay, and I tell you earlier, don't put your emergency money into it. Don't put your money that you want to use it, want to spend it. You just put money that you know that you are not, you know that this money is I'm just saving it, I'm not using it again. Or you understand me? You understand what I'm talking? You just go and invest it there. Okay, so the app that I want to make sure in naira is Bamboo. This is the name of the app. Bamboo in Nigeria. If you want to invest in Nigeria and you want a stock in USA stock, Nigeria stock, everything is there. Okay, everything. If Nigeria stock you want to invest, but if you don't know which Nigeria stock you want to invest, if it is MTN or anything, just tell me under the comment section. I will make a video Nigeria stock too, that you invest and leave it for a future that will change your life. You understand me? Nigeria stock too. Okay, so this app is just so simple. What you are going to do is just like download the app Bamboo. Okay, if you don't know it, I will write the name under the description, so under the comment or description, so you will know the name. Okay, Bamboo is available in Play Store, available in Apple Store. So you go there and go and install it. So when you install it, you will enter, sign in with your email or with your phone number, you understand me, and do your KYC before you deposit money into it. So you deposit money into it with the Naira. I'm talking about this.
I'm talking about if anyone is in Africa, you understand me?
You are outside country, just patient. I will tell you that video. You understand me? So if you are in Naira, you just deposit with the Naira and you can swap it to $1 to invest, to buy a stock. But if you want to swap it to $1, no problem. You can buy it with the Naira. Understand me? So just use your KYC, okay? Register with your KYC. You can use your NIN, you can use your BVN. So if you're afraid you don't want to use your BVN, you will later use your BVN again. Because if you register with your NIN and when you invest a lot of money, they will tell you that you operate your account with a BVN. So your account, they make sure that your account is big, you understand me? So you invest a lot of money, okay? But if you're afraid that let me start from NIN, no problem, because me, I'm investing. I do my KYC with BVN. Nothing happened. Almost 2 years now. Nothing happened. I did not do nothing happened next time. So if you are afraid or anything, no, don't afraid. I'm not sending you link that you go and press the link and you say I'm a scammer. No, go direct to the app and go and search it and you see it. How many years the app is, and go and search the about the app web before you open it. Don't say I'm a scammer. I'm doing that thing. Okay, so. This is the app that you can invest here. Do your KYC, do anything, and go there and invest. If you don't know how to go and search for the stock and investment, let me know. I'll make video how to go and search for the app. Okay, this is just I want to make sure the stock to buy. You understand me? But if you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to buy a stock, you understand me, just let me know. Okay, just let me know under the comment section. I will tell you how to buy a stock. And if you don't know how to buy Naira, you don't know how to buy in Naira stock, let me know. Okay, I will make a video, no problem. Okay, I deal with you now. Okay, so bye.